I'm so excited because there is this new metric in YouTube Studio. It has just come out just today. So it's March 9th in YouTube land. And so, or March 10th here in Sydney. And this metric, what is it? It's about audience, about who is coming to your videos and then coming back. So you click on the analytics, you go into YouTube Studio, studio.youtube.com, and then you click on the analytics and you go to audience. And this is the metric here, how many returning viewers you've got. I'll tell you why this is important. When you have people coming to your YouTube channel, many of them never, ever, ever subscribe. Look at this. I have 3,000 subscribers nearly, but of all the people who watch my videos and all of the time they're watching it, over 99% don't subscribe. So that means for 3,000 subscribers, I've got 100 times or 99 times that not subscribing but still coming to my channel. And that's totally okay. I'm not really in the chasing subscribers game, but look at this. These people are new viewers, 6,400. So I get to see, after I've posted these videos, some of these people, right, after I post a video, I can see how many new people are coming and how many people come back, the returning viewers. Okay, so I get to see, well, maybe people are going to binge watch some of my videos about how to use Zoom or about how to do things in Google Docs or Google Sheets or Google Calendar or something else. Okay, how to grow your YouTube channel. I get to see these returning viewers. And so that's really, really important. How many of them are subscribers? Okay, so I get to see how my subscribers are growing. That's fine. But I get to see, so look at this. In this period of 28 days, 300 people have subscribed, but 2,300 people have returned. Whether or not they're subscribers, this is how many of them, 2,000 more people have returned to my channel. So this is a really, really key metric for you. Now, they've only just rolled this out to Australia today. So once again, how to get to it, you go to analytics and then to audience. And if you haven't got it, don't worry, it will be coming. And then returning viewers, okay? So really, really valuable information. So I get to see after I have posted a video how many new viewers I'm getting after each video, okay? So this video, this one, how many new viewers am I getting? I'm always going to have a dip. These dips for sure are on the weekends for me because I'm doing a channel which is largely around work software, tech software that is probably more a weekday sort of thing. It's like if you've got a channel about Excel or something like that, it's going to drop right off on the weekends, right? So if I look over the last 90 days, I get to see, once again, the weekends is dropping off. But anyway, really, really good, exciting new metric. And let me know in the comments what it has taught you about your channel.